and welcome back. Here is a lecture from Neville Goddard, The Cup of Experience, October 27th, 1967. He says, "You are infinite love, but without the power of imagination, love itself is eternal death. Start now to change your world, to conform to your acts of love, but you cannot do it without imagination. Begin with self. Change your world and prove God's power is within you. Then you will know what it is to drink the cup which the Father has given you. It was God's infinite love that detached and allowed you to fall, for this separation is a fall and yet a beginning of a new creation. Just as the seed falls from man, a new creation begins. You fell and began a new creation, for God came with you as your human imagination. Decide what you want and ask yourself what it would be like and how you would feel if it were true. Then dare to assume you have it. Let the people who know you now see you after your assumption. Don't make them see you. Let them see the change. Think of the world as a sounding box, echoing and reflecting what you have assumed. Listen to your friends' comments on your change. See their faces expressing their pleasure on your good fortune. Wear that feeling as you now wear your present body of belief. Continue to wear that new state, and in no time at all your desire will objectify itself and become a fact in your world. Then you will know who the cause of the phenomena of life really is." Now, I think that was a pretty straightforward lesson from 1967. I don't think it needs any elaboration, but I will repeat this. Decide what you want and ask yourself what it would be like and how you would feel if it were true. Then dare to assume you have it. Well, no time like the present to practice. Like I tell my son, you get good at what you practice. So just be careful with what you're practicing, because good, bad, or indifferent, according to Neville, whatever you practice is what you perfect. Hope that made sense. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're all on this journey together, so we may as well get to know each other better. Much love.